Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing a minimal workspace. Install Python and the VS Code extension so tooling works. Once done, open your project folder and create index. HTML and app. Py. Make sure the Python interpreter is selected in the bottom bar. Start a terminal in VS Code and run Python mvenv. Venv then activate it so dependencies install cleanly. Install Flask or Fast API now. You'll need a lightweight web framework to serve HTML and handle Python logic. Next, you'll implement the connection. Write a Flask route that returns render template for index. HTML and another route to accept post.json. Place index. HTML in template slash and your CSS slash JS in static slash so Flask serves them automatically. In the browser script, use fetch slash API method post headers content type application slash JSON body JSON stringify data to send input. On the server, parse request. Get JSON and return JSON. Finally, run the app and debug. Start Flask in development mode and open the live server or browser at the correct port. Use VS Code's debugger to step through Python code and set breakpoints in both backend and browser dev tools for front-end scripts. If requests fail, check Network tab, Server logs, and whether CORS blocks requests. Enable Flask CORS app or match ports. If static files don't update, clear cache or restart the server. These fixes resolve most connection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.